Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reading Fisher-Price Animal Sounds. The cow says moo. The pig says oink. The doggy says woof. What sound does a dog make? A dog says, can you guys say it with me? Woof. All right, you guys. What sound does a duck make? A duck says, let's say it together, quack. All right, you guys got it. What sound does a cow make? A cow says, let's say it together, moo. All right, you guys. What sound does a pig make? A pig says, oink. All right, you guys are very smart. What sound does a cat make? A cat says, meow. Yep, you guys got that one too. And that's the end of the animal sounds of Fisher-Price's Animal Sounds. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.